CSA Breakers here. Ready for another break. We have Bowman, break number 7, Bowman Hobby Box. Looking for one auto here. Some color. Some nice Bowman firsts. Chrome, hopefully. And then we have a jumbo as well that we're trying to fill up. 2 spots left in the jumbo break. What's up, Russ? What's up, Mark? Card Pimps, what's up? But right now, break number 7. It's a hobby box break. So I'm going to invite the people in the break. We got Card Pimps here. What's going on? What's up, Russ? This is Anthony. JJ. Trey. Caribbean. What's up, Mid-South? Let me get Jimmy in here. There's JJ. So we're shaping up here. We're looking pretty good. El Dio's in here. Let me get Brave. Alright, we're looking pretty good, guys. We're going to start it up. We'll start the randomizer. Yeah, so we pretty much have everybody in the break. So we're good to go. I talked to Jimmy. Jimmy said he may be a little late. So let's run it. Which usually means Jimmy's going to get the best teams. I'm just kind of telling you how it usually works. Alright, good luck, everybody. Let's randomize. We'll be randomizing tonight. Buckle up 9 times. Chair 3. Starts us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What am I doing here? We're doing it 9. I did a 1 too many times here. Let's start that over. My bad. 9 times. My bad. I did a 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, chair 2. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What's up, Gino? Chair 1. 9 times tonight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Blue Jays number 1. Brewers number 2. Red Sox number 9. Appreciate y'all. There it is. Got Card Pimps with 2 spots. Appreciate you. JJ, what are you 6 in, let me see. JJ, you're 6 in the jumbo, boss. You're 6 in the jumbo. Six in the jumbo. Sorry about that. The Matrix. Whose channel is that? Pretty good. I want to like some pictures. Alright. Card Pimps. Appreciate you guys as always. Yeah, no, that was my bad. I should have told you that right away. Card Pimps, Blue Jays, Brewers. So 2 really good teams tonight. Good luck there. You got the Giants, Braves, Mets, and Pirates as well. Caribbean Cards. What is up, Caribbean? Rangers, Athletics, and Royals. Good luck. Anthony with the Tigers, Mariners, and Reds. So good luck, Anthony. JJ. What up, JJ? I hope these teams work. Angels, Marlins, and Rays. Hopefully we'll get some nice Angels heat tonight. Trey. What's up, Trey? Twins, Indians, and Rockies. We got Jimmy with 2 spots. Jimmy, Red Sox and Yankees tonight. Dodgers as well. You got the D-backs, Cubs, and Orioles. Got Aldio Perez, 1988. What's up, man? The Phillies, Padres, Astros. Last but not least, we got Bravo 024. White Sox, Nationals, and Cardinals. If you guys need to know your teams at any point, just let me know. Fill you in there. I got gloves I'm going to put on. We still are trying to fill up spots in the jumbo. I think we have like 2 or 3 spots to go in this. We'll break that, I think, tomorrow night at this point. Oh, good luck, y'all. I need a drink before we start breaking. All right. What's up, James? All right, starting with a Lewis. Acuna, Matata, Christian Yelich, Futurist, Reed, the Chrome, Cabrera, and then a Brewers, Papers, a Lofton, Mets, and then we got a Bobby Witt. Let's leave that. Nice hit for the Royals. Royals tonight. Caribbean cards. Caribbean starting us out. Jose Altuve, Pete Alonso, Manny Machado, Luis Garcia. We got a C.J. Abrams, Nick Lofton. Other Chrome is Cubs prospect, Nova, Thomas, and then we got a Wander Franco, Rays, J.J. Masto. Third pack. Brady Singer. Got a nice rookie, Phillies rookie. Juan Soto. Futurist for the Giants. We got a Dylan, Dingler. And then we have a numbered refractor here at a 499. Diamondbacks prospect. Diamondbacks, D-backs tonight. Jimmy DeLita. So Jimmy with a nice hit, nice refractor at a 499. Shortstop prospect for the Diamondbacks. Let me take care of it. Go on to the next pack. All right, next pack. If I could only open them. Paul Goldschmidt, Josh Bell, Mookie Betts, Bregman. We got a nice futurist Bobby Witt. So Royals doing pretty well so far. Nova, Drew Waters, Braves prospect, the paper. Laura, Rangers. Still looking to see some more firsts. Come on now. Gotta change it up. Gotta change it up here. Sanchez. Second year, really a third year. Alvarez. Get the best pitcher in baseball. Get a nice insert for the Phillies. Whitley. Bryson Scott. The paper. Drew Waters again, the paper version. Got Nick, and then a Casey Martin for the Phillies. Next pack. Sean Murphy, second year. Kyle Lewis, second year. Max Scherzer. We got Chris Bryant. Clark Schmidt. Carroll. Marco. We got Paper. Manning. And then Hunter Green. So we gotta start changing it up. This might be the auto pack right here. This pack seems heavy. Get something in here. Aaron Judge. We got a Yaz. Got a Bo, second year. Trevor Bauer. Nice rookie of the year favorites for the Astros. We got a Red Sox Chrome, and then we got our nice first Phillies, Nick Matton. Phillies tonight, Aldeo Perez, 1988. The paper, Lynch. And then a gray as well. Let me sleeve the Nick. All right, next pack. Jose Abreu. Tatis Jr. Get a Rendon. A nice Mountcastle rookie for the Orioles. Take care of that. We got Acuna Jr. Braves. Westberg. And then a nice first here for the Marlins. Marlins tonight, J.J. Masto. So we'll take care of that. Ed Howard. Got a Bryce and then a Logan Gilbert. All right. I'm going to sleeve and top load the first chrome. Go to the next pack. Still looking for that auto. Chapman, Javier Baez, and a Merrifield. Got an Adele rookie. Then we got a nice Hayes rookie. Pirates, Card Pimps. Spencer Torkelson. Cody Horse, or Hose. Josh Jong, Jared Kelly first. We'll sleeve that. And then we'll sleeve the Severino. Twins. Trey Dunnigan, 24. Jared Kelly. Let's start changing it up. Solar. Sanchez, Alex, we got a Jose Garcia, our first pipeline of the night, talent pipeline for the Rockies. The Chrome, another Rocky. He was on the pipeline there, Colton, Weckler, and then we have a nice first for the Phillies. Phillies, Aldeo Perez, 1988, the paper. No first. I'm going to take care of the first chrome that we pulled, though. All right, we're going to change it up. Come on. Bobby Dahlbach, rookie. Red Sox. Ruiz. Tino. Is this the Atomics coming up? It looks like. Got the Atomic. Not a first. It's a Bo Naylor for the Indians. Take care of that. Nice hit for the Indians. The paper. Let me take care of the Atomic. Indians. Trey Dunnigan. All right, still looking for the auto. Seems like all the autos are in the back of these boxes. Spencer Howard. Marte. Joey Votto. Rookie of the Year favorite, Dylan Carlson. Good card. Cardinals. Rays, and then a St. Louis Cardinal prospect, Westberg, Mayer. Then we have a nice Sanchez first for the White Sox. All right, Jimenez. Wait, there's the rookie right there, the base. Cardinals. Miguel Cabrera. We'll get a Meyer here. Ed Howard, prospect for the Cubs. Got another Edwards here. Paper. Nothing crazy. Come on, now let's change it up. Let's get something. Let's talk to the cards here. Javier, Marquez, Ohtani, Blackman. We got another pipeline here for the Milwaukee Brewers. Card pimps. Got a first for the Indians. Shortstop first. Indians. Trey Dunnigan, 24. The other chrome is a Zach Veen, prospect for the Rockies. Got a nice first here for the Angels. JJ Masto. Take care of that. And then the chrome first. Move off to our next pack. I'm going to count the rest of the packs out here so we can start showing off some more cards. All right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 packs to go. All right, we got to change up. We got to change it up a little bit because we are not doing so well right now. So I had to change it up. Changing the mojo up a little bit. JD Martinez, Austin Hayes, Evan White, Tavares. We got a nice numbered out of 25. Numbered out of 25, so I knew we had to change up something. This is a nice hit for the Orioles. Jimmy Delita. The chrome. So you can see. Numbered 1. 1 out of 25. As you can see right there, his jersey number is 1. So this is a player jersey match. 1 out of 25. Orange. Just kidding. But you know what I'm saying. It's nice. A first. Ramirez. This kid just looks good. Angels. JJ Masto. Nice hit. Got another first here for the Indians. We'll take care of that. Another first here for the Yankees. We'll take care of that. And then a Kirby. Vacuum. That dude sucks everything up. Alright, let me take care of this next card. I'm going to get a proper top loader for the numbered card as well. We still got some packs, though. We still have our autograph to go. We just pulled the number out of 25, so I think we're changing up the graces here. I think we'll be all right. Let me get a proper top loader, though. All right. Next pack. Mike Trout. Steele. Cody Bellinger. Josh Donaldson. We got a Miz, cover boy. Nice first for the Rangers. Rangers tonight. Caribbean cards. We'll take care of that for you, bud. We got a Cruz for the Pirates. The paper. Whitley, Gonzalez, Tucker. All right, Buster Posey. Giant. Garrett Cole for the Yankees. Austin Meadows. Rays. Got a Bubik. Hello! Oh, shit, dude. What a hit. Cracked ice out of 100. Jeremy De La Rosa. I told you we were due. I told you it was coming. I told you it was coming, dude. Holy shit. This is a heater. 93 out of 100. This kid's a beast. Jeremy De La Rosa. Cracked ice. That's an atomic autograph. Boom. Nice hit. Dude. That looks like it's in great shape, too. Wow. Nationals. Bravo E 024. Bravo, dude. Holy shit. That was a good pack. Wow, so one of the pulls of the year so far. Number to 100. This kid's a beast. He just looks like a beast. This kid's a beast. That's a hit right there. Let me get the proper sleeve and top loader for it. I think we got ourselves a new first place card here. Probably the best card of the Bowman break so far. Bowman break number 7. 7 hobby boxes so far. This is probably the best one I've seen. And she's in good shape. So, bravo. That's a heater. Skeeter. That's a heater. Just what the doctor ordered. I told you we were due. I had to change it up, change the voodoo. And we still got a bunch of packs to go. Let's get it. 7 packs to go, looks like. 7 packs to go. Just got the auto. It was a nice one. Bunch of cards left here. We got a Nola. Joey Gallo. Vlad Guerrero Jr. Luis Roberts, second year. There is the insert, 1 per box. Nick Gonzalez for the Pirates. Card Pimps. Hassel, Dodgers. There we go. Red Sox, Jimmy DeLita. Let me know if you want to sell, boss. Blaze Jordans. Nice. It's a nice box. Starting to have some hits. Looks pretty clean. Blaze it up. Blaze up the break. Let's see what the paper brings. Paper brings an Austin Martin. Blue Jays Card Pimps. Take care of that. Henrik Cavalli. So I knew we would do this. All the good hits were at the end of this box. Because it's been like good pack after good pack. We caught right up. And it's all because I changed the voodoo up. All because I changed it up. I'm going to take credit. Blaze Jordan. These two prospects have the best names. They can't not be good at baseball. Blaze Jordan and Austin Martin. Crazy. But this has been a nice hobby box. And we still got a bunch of packs to go. So let's keep it rolling. Austin Martin, too. I gotta show that. And then we had this, excuse me, earlier we had this nice Bowman First Chrome. Rangers. All right, next pack. Stephenson. Tejada. Joey Bart rookie. Nate Pearson. The insert is a Sanchez. Marlins. Bobby Miller. And then Rockies. Nice first for the Indians. We'll take care of that. Angels. And then a nice Reyes. Shortstop first. Tigers. We'll take care of that too. Anthony. We got ourselves 5 packs to go. Freddie Freeman. Tanner. Sam Huff. Dalton. Crotchet insert. Adams for the Angels. And then we have a nice Bowman First. Chrome for the Padres. Aldio Perez, 1988. There he is. Paper version. Nationals. We'll take care of it. Another first for the Cubs. And then we had 3 straight firsts. That was the Yankees first. So we'll take care of all 3. Four packs to go. We still have some more heat. We've already done rather well. Got a great top 3 tonight. A bunch of other hits. So I'll have a nice recap at the end of this break. Nice hit for the Tigers. Jason Dominguez Chrome. Yankees. Jimmy. CJ. The Blake. All right. All right, 3 packs to go. We'll recap it afterwards. We do have a Bowman Jumbo. That's 3 autographs left. I think there's 3 spots left in that as well. So we're trying to do that tomorrow night. All right. 3 to go. Good luck. Brian Anderson. Bryce Harper. Molina. Yadier Molina. Lindor, back when he was on the Indians. Blue Jays, top 100. Got a nice Lacy Chrome for the Royals. And there is your due. This is definitely a Jeremy De La Rosa box. Clean looking one here. The Nationals hitting tonight. Nice hit, dude. Paper. Riley Green. Kerstad. Nice hit. Two packs to go. 2 packs to go. A nice Jazz here. This dude's killing his rookie year. Should be a nice Topps Chrome this year. Get Cover Boy. Garcia. Cover Boy again. Got a Royce Lewis. And then a Jung. The paper isn't Jason Dominguez. Luis Garcia. Woods Richardson. One pack to go, then a recap. It's been a great break. We started slow, we picked it up. Let's keep it going. Let's get some more hits. Last pack. Last pack magic. Labor Torres. Blake Snell. Yu Darvish. Schmidt. Riley Green. There we go. The last Bowman Chrome of the night was a nice one. Looks like we have some color too. Looks like we have some color. Some color. What was that? Blue. Baby blue. We got Tenna. Take care of that. Not a first, but it's a Gunnar Henderson. Sky Blue, 84 out of 499. Sky Blue, 499. 84 out of 499. So let's recap it. We had some nice hits. Definitely the best hit of the night. Right there. That's nice. We had that Futurist out of 25. We had the nice Blaze Jordan. We had a bunch of other great Bowman First Chromes. Some nice paper. And that Jeremy De La Rosa out of 100. 93 out of 100. Nice autograph there. We'll go over the sleeve cards first, then the top loaders, then we'll do the top 3. Trying to get the jumbo filled as quick as possible. Probably do that tomorrow night. But thanks to everybody who came out. Card Pimps, Caribbean, Anthony, JJ, Trey Dunnigan, Jimmy, El Dio, and Bravo. Bravo did the best. Got the Nationals. Nationals hit it tonight. All right, there we go. Bobby Witt, Dahlback, Tenna, Dylan Carlson, Sanchez. Got a Hayes rookie, Jared Kelly first, Severino first, Bohm, insert. We had a Jazz rookie, Jason Dominguez, Dylan Carlson, Gomez first, Morrill first. There's our first of De La Rosa. Reyes, Pipe. Brewers, Rockies, and then we had the Angels. Some nice chrome. My camera's freaking out right now. We had an Acosta, Henderson. There's the second Jeremy chrome. This is a refractor out of 499. Nice Angels first chrome. We had the Indians. A Bell for the Phillies. Mena. Austin Martin paper. Nick Gonzalez. The Atomic was a Bo Naylor for the Indians. Marlins. Phillies. Top 3. We had numbered orange out of 27. Excuse me, orange out of 25. This is a 1 out of 25. Futurist orange. We had that Blaze Jordan. Just Blaze. Just a chrome here. Chrome first. Nice hit for the Red Sox, Jimmy. And then the card of the night. A beautiful hit here for the Nationals. Jeremy De La Rosa. It'd be a 93 out of 100. So that's going to be the screenshot right there. But I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Everybody have a great rest of your week. Have a great weekend. We'll be doing a jumbo box tomorrow night. We have some more Prism basketball. And then select football as well. Probably change it up too. I think I'm going to start doing some more optic basketball. Some optic football as well. So check us out. This is going to be a nice screenshot. I'm going to get some nice pictures of this card as well. Can't wait to send it out to my boy 024 Bravo. Am I saying that right? I don't even know what I'm doing here, but I appreciate y'all. Thank you guys so much. See ya.